Hello everyone, welcome to LoharTalk, and in this video I will discuss about classes. So classes are basically used to group a similar functionality. So I will give you an example. So let's declare one class and name it to person. So this class will consist f name, l name and gender as a property, and we will declare two functions inside that. So let's first declare properties. So f name, and that will be a string, and second will be l name, and again it will be a string, and last one will be gender. Okay, so we are not specifying any access modifier, so by default it will be public. So we will talk about access modifier in later on videos. So moving next, so here I will declare one field, set basic info, which will take f name comma l name and gender as a parameter. And here I will set person properties using these three parameter. So here if we want to access this f name, then we can access through this keyword. So this dot f name equal to f name, and this dot l name equal to l name, and this dot gender will be equal to gender. Okay, so now let's declare one more function, get basic info, and it will print all this person information. So console.log, and here I will write name, and it will be this dot f name, and I will provide one space plus this dot l name. Okay, so here I will again log gender of person. So here gender, and plus this dot gender. Okay, so let's create one person object. So here let p equal to new. So using new keyword we declare an object of that person. So person, and then p dot set information. Here we will pass f name comma l name comma and gender. Okay, now let's just call the get info function. So it will print all this basic information in console. So let's compile this. So go to command prompt, and here we will write tsc for compiling main.ts, and simultaneously we can execute the code. So space double end, and not space main.js. So here you can see we are getting name as Sunil Har and gender as male. So this is a basic use of this class. So in next video I will discuss about a constructor. I hope guys you like my video, and if you guys have any doubt please comment below, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.